we will see 3rd Standard English Grammar textbook of CBSE syllabus. In that we will see Chapter 5 Verbs, Present and Past Tense. Chapter 5 Verbs, Present and Past Tenses. We already know that verb tells us what somebody or something does or has done. Verb also tells us when that something is done or was done. In other words, a verb not only tells us about an action, it also tells us the time of the action. Is it something that happens now or is it something that has already happened in the past? Now read the following sentences. Adi helps the strangers. Adi helped the strangers yesterday. In sentence 1, the verb helps refer to an action that Adi does now or at present. In sentence 2, the verb help refers to an action that Adi did yesterday or in the past. The two forms of the verb help, helps and helped have been used to show two different times, present and past respectively. We say that the verb helps is in the past tense and the verb helped is in the past tense. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action. Present tense. To show that a verb is in the present tense, we either use the verb as it is or add an s or es to it. I play, you play, she or he plays. I dance, you dance, he or she dances. I run, you run, he or she runs. I eat, you eat, he or she eats. To show that a verb which ends in y is in the present tense, we either use the verb as it is or usually drop the final y and add ies to the verb. I dry, you dry, he or she dries. I cry, you cry, he or she cries. Past tense. To form the past tense of a verb, we usually add ed to the verb. Help plus ed, helped. Talk plus ed, talked. Play plus ed, played. Wait plus ed, waited. Add ed to the following verbs to make past tense. Act, acted. Fill, filled. Flow, flowed. Hunt, hunted. Walk, walked. Push, pushed. Wait, waited. Subtract, subtracted. Add, added. Rain, rained. Pull, pulled. Pick, picked. Look, looked. Hang, hanged. Show, showed. Jump, jumped. The last letter of some verbs are doubled when ed is added to them. Fit plus ed, fitted. Knit plus ed, knitted. Drop plus ed, dropped. Change the tense of the verbs given in bold letters from the present to past by adding ed. Sunil fears dark. Sunil feared dark. The teacher claps for children. The teacher clapped for children. Aarti calls her friend for dinner. Aarti called her friend for dinner. The magician shows the tricks in the circus. The magician showed the tricks in the circus. Mummy drops us to school in the car. Mummy dropped us to school in the car. My grandma knits beautiful sweater for me. My grandma knitted a beautiful sweater for me. The dress fits me perfectly. The dress fitted me perfectly. The beggar picks the rags from the road. The beggar picked the rags from the road. If the verb ends in e, we just add d to it to form the past tense. Close plus d, closed. Dance plus d, danced. Escape plus d, escaped. Add d to the following verbs to form the past tense. Live, lived. Hate, hated. Smile, smiled. Divide, divided. Advise, advised. Change, changed. Love, loved. Save, saved. Hope, hoped. Move, moved. Agree, agreed. Complete, completed. Present to past. We can change the tense of a verb from past to present in many ways. If the verb in the present tense ends in s or es, we drop the s or es and add d or ed. Present. He plays in the park. Past. He played in the park. He likes ice cream. He liked ice cream. Water drips from the tap. Water dripped from the tap. Change the tense of the following verbs from the present to past by dropping the final s and adding d or ed. Fills, filled. Waits, waited. Walks, walked. Move, moved. Tastes, tasted. Joins, joined. Cares, cared. Stays, stayed. Helps, helped. Dare, dared. If the verb in the present tense end in ies, we drop the final s and add d. Carries, carried. Cries, cried. Studies, studied. Fries, fried. Change the tense of the verbs given in bold letters from the present to past. Radha acts in a film. Radha acted in a film. The thief escapes the prison. The thief escaped the prison. The dog dies because of fever. The dog died because of fever. The army drops the food from the aeroplane. The army dropped the food from the aeroplane. He completes his homework in time. He completed his homework in time. Papa walks home from office. Papa walked home from office. The postman delivers letters. The postman delivered letters. The maid agrees to wash clothes as well. The maid agreed to wash the clothes as well. Our dog guards the house at night. Our dog guarded the house at night. My grandmother bakes delicious cakes and biscuits for my birthday. My grandmother baked delicious cakes and biscuits for my birthday. Mohan talks daily in class. Mohan talked daily in class. The gardener waters the plants. The gardener watered the plants. Sohan watches TV in the evening. Sohan watched TV in the evening. He pulls the door. He pulled the door. He carries the umbrella to school. He carried the umbrella to school. Rama fills water in the jug. Rama filled water in the jug. Here, chapter 5 has finished.